Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to accept file submissions via a form in WordPress. So I am using Gravity Forms for this tutorial. So to begin, as you can see here, I have already created a form here and I have added a few fields of my choice. Now here, to accept file submissions via a form, what we need to do is, we need to search for the file upload field. Now simply drag and drop the file upload field here in the builder area. Once done, you can customize the field labels also like this. You can configure other settings as well, like you can add a description to this field. You can check this multiple file upload box to accept multiple file submissions. Everything can be customized. You can also mention the maximum number of files that users can upload. You can set the minimum file size. You can also make this field required. So this is all about this field. Now once you are done with the form, let's save the form. Next step is to embed the form. To do so, simply click on Embed Form. I will create a new page to embed the form. So let me add the page title here and then I will click on Create. Now you will get redirected to the respective page. You can see the form in action here. Let's publish the form and check whether the file upload field is working or not. Let me make a test entry to show you how this form works. So I will fill all the fields here. Now to upload files here, users just need to click on Select Files and select the files from their system. You can see the file gets uploaded successfully. Once done, let's submit the form. You can see the success message here. So this was all about how to accept file submissions via a form in WordPress. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.